to my channel. Today I have a very exciting room decor thrift haul for you. I have been accumulating a lot of cute items over the past few months. I love decorating my room. I am so in love with my room and I spend most of my time here, so I just want to make it as cute as possible. But yeah, I'll probably do a room tour soon. I'm not finished decorating my room yet, but sometime in the future I'll be doing a room tour. But for now, I'm going to be sharing with you all of the cute thrifted items that I have been collecting over the past few months. I hope this inspires you to go check out your local thrift store and, you know, buy cute, vintage, cheap stuff. So I hope you enjoy this video. So the first thing is, this is in no particular order. I don't remember when I bought some of these items, so I'm just gonna do it randomly. So the first thing is this bowl. I think it's like a ceramic bowl. It's a glass bowl. This is a very cute stained glass bowl in this like pink and blue flowers. I am so in love with this. This is so bloody cute, and I don't remember the prices of some of these items, so excuse me if I don't say the price, but just know that they were very cheap and under $10. I put my claw clips and my hair ties in this bowl because it's just really big and it just holds them all properly, so I love this bowl. This one is a, how do you describe this? It's like a lettuce edging, green, clear glass, stained glass. I don't know how to describe some of these items, so I'm so sorry if I can't find the proper words to describe them, but just know that they are all very cute. This is where I put all of the stuff that I need by my bedside table, so I put this on my bedside table. I put my eye cream, lip balm, anything that I need to reach out for before I go to sleep. So yeah, I am in love with this. It's like textured, it's got like these dotted texturing, and I love the edging. It's like a lettuce edging. That's how you describe it. I just love it so much. It's so cute. I love green. Green is my favorite color, so when I saw this, I just fell in love straight away. And yeah, I love this. This one is like a leaf, like a heart leaf. It reminds me of a monstera. This is where I put my silver rings, and this is where I put my gold rings. So this one is like a shell, a stained glass shell bowl, and they are so cute and tiny. This one I actually got from Depop, one of those thrift selling pages. Like, I will link it down below if I can remember, but I am in love with this. These are so popular, but I can never find them at the thrift store. And then this one is like, it's got like curves at the top, so the edging is like this curvy top, and it's got like this ray pattern. I'm not really sure how to describe it, but it's just so cute and small, and I got this at the thrift store. I thrifted these together. Stained glass. Like I said, I have a lot of stained glass room decor because I'm just so in love with it. I love how it's like colorful but also like clear, so it kind of gives an illusion that, I don't know, it's clear but it's not. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but you know what I mean. And I don't really put anything in it. I just put it on my shelf because it just looks so beautiful by itself, so I don't put anything in it. But yeah, I love this. It reminds me of like a perfume bottle, and the glass, like the, I don't know, what do you call this, like the pattern is just so intricate, and it just gives an illusion that it's so fancy. And yeah, I am in love with this. And then this one I think is like a alcohol, where you can drink alcohol because it's like a really fancy glass. But again, I don't put anything in this. I just put these two on my shelf. I love pink. Pink is also one of my favorite colors, so when I saw this, I grabbed this straight away because it's just so fancy. You could probably like use this as a glass. Like, I imagine like putting whiskey in this, like ice and then whiskey, but for one, I don't drink, and also this is just way too cute, so I just put it up on my shelf. And these two look great together, like blue and pink. Love it. Another pink item is this really cute, like unique glassware. I got this for 50 cents. I remember getting this for 50 cents at the thrift store, but I just love the shape of it, and I love how it's pink, and it's kind of like the stained glass as well. You could put like a flower in this. I tried to use it as like a propagation glass where I can just like put like a cutting of my plant in here, but it's too narrow, so I just decided to just put it up on my shelf, and I put all of these three together. You'll see in a clip, but they just look so cute together, pink and blue. But yeah, I am so in love with this. I love anything that has like a unique shape. And then one of my favorite finds is this one holder. I put my lipsticks in this, but it's just so bloody cute. It's so lovely. It's so cute. And again, I just put this up on my shelf, and it just makes it like so unique, you know? It's just so cute. I am so in love with this. I'm in love with everything in this haul. And then I have more glassware. So I thrifted these like glossier. Again, more tinted glassware stuff. I love green. As you can tell, I love green, blue, and pink. Those are my main colors, my main color theme in this room. But this one is like this green stained glass. It's pretty big. So I have been using this as like a paint. Whenever I'm painting, I use this to like dip my brushes in. That's why it's a bit dirty. But it's so pretty. You can just like put like dried flowers in it or like cuttings. But yeah, I love this. It's so nice, and it's so big as well. Love it. And one more glassware is this, like, what do you even call this? It's like a potion bottle. I don't know, but yeah, it's really unique. It's really cool. I actually use this to propagate my plants because it's got this tiny narrow neck and like a massive area in this. So it's great for propagating my plants, and I use it for that. Yeah, it's so cute and so tiny, and just the unique shape of it. I'm in love with it. So the last thing in this haul is this massive pink vase or vase. We say vase in New Zealand, but this vase or vase, I don't know, same thing. It's like the skinny, but it's a bit wide, and yeah, it's so vintage looking. I don't know if this is vintage or not. It doesn't have any labels, but I'm guessing it's vintage because the silhouette is so unique. It's so different. I like to put my dried flowers in this. But yeah, as you can tell, I love pink, and this just ties in with my room so well with all the pink stuff. So I love this so much. And that was everything in this haul. It's pretty short, but yeah, I hope you guys got inspired. I hope you go and check out your local thrift store. There's a lot of cute vintage items there. I guarantee you, every time you go to a thrift store, you will always find items like the ones that I just showed you. But yeah, go to your local thrift store. Thrift, vintage, room decor. There's a lot of pretty stuff there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!